So hello guys, for today's video is gagawin po natin ang finance activity exercise 2, which is desk scheduling algorithm po. And ang gagamitin ko pong algorithm is FCFS algo, or first come first serve algorithm. And by the definition itself po, by the term itself po, ang uunahin po natin ay kung ano yung mauna. So, we will i-jot down ko lang po muna yung given time po. So, let's say 128, 58, 113, 28, 105, 69, 99, 32, and 88. And let's draw a graph lang po. Yan. And let's create a truck number na may 200 trucks. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So let's assume na 70 po ang head start natin. So, let's do this po. 70. Since first come first serve, so 128. Ay, nalagay po muna natin itong kanilang label. 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. Ay, kulang. 10, 20, 30, 80. Okay, game. And since 128 po, dito po siya manggagaling. 10, 20, 30 dito. And 58 dito. So, banda dito. 113 and ito banda. Let's put the label para hindi po tayo malito. And 28 dito lang siya guys. 105 dito. 28, 105, 69 dito. 99 dito. 32. 32. And lastly, 88 po. And after that po, after po natin mag-graph po siya, kukunin na lang po natin ang kanyang trucks. So, ang step po na is 128 minus 70 and 128 minus 58. Ayan lang po. So, 113 minus 58, 113 minus 28, 105 minus 28, 105 minus 69, 99 minus 69, and 99 minus 32. Lastly is 88 minus 32. Kunin lang po natin yung sum nila. I know yung subtraction. Yung sa yun, basta yung equal nila. So 128 minus 70 is 58. 128 minus 58 is 70. 113 minus 58 is 55. 113 minus 28 ay 85. 105 minus 28 is 77. 105 minus 67 is 36. 99 minus 69 is 30. 99 minus 32 is 58. And lastly, 88 minus 32 is 56. Kunin lang po natin yung kanilang sum. 523. And that's ganyan po ang step kung paano makuha ang FCFS algorithm. Thank you.